how to delete your Shein account. So you want to click on the Me icon in the bottom right corner, and then we're going to click on the cogwheel in the top right corner this time. So once we have selected this, then we will go to the option to manage my account, and then you will see this option to delete your account. So once we click on it, then we'll need to apply to delete account. So it will ask us for verification, but basically it will tell us that if you want to delete all your personal data, your account will also be deleted. We will send a data deletion request to your email. Please check. Okay, so you click on there. Now I'm going to check my email address, see if I actually received this message and if I can proceed with my account deletion. So yes, so they have sent me an account deletion email. So basically I see a button here to delete the data. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. So it looks like this right now. I'm going to select delete data and see if this works. It's gonna ask me to log in. Give me a second. Okay, so it looks like this. We need to click on I understand. Please proceed. Successfully applied. Your data will be deleted within 30 days. So that's how you do it. That's how you delete your account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.